missing his head. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. We're out here at the Cottonwood Trail in Prince George. I just got a phone call. My bike's ready. Let's go get our bike and we'll go have some fun with it before summertime comes and we go back down south. Back down to the Okanagan where I spend time with my kids. This is the second one that's been damaged, whether it's age or vandalism, I don't know. Same with this one. This one looks like it was damaged. So I tried to capture as many faces and sculptures and carvings that I could. That was one of the main reasons I want to come here, was check those out. Those are pretty cool artwork, that's for sure. All right, guys, see you guys at the back of the van. I'm gonna take off. We're gonna go pick up our bike. We'll see you guys there. Thank goodness for the guys here at Evolve Sport and Cycle. They got me taken care of. They fit me into their busy schedules, so thank goodness for that. We're gonna move on to the next location. We're gonna be heading up toward the Paterni Trails. They're like probably one of the most famous mountain bike trails here in BC, Canada. We're gonna go check it out. I don't know how much trails I'll be able to do. Some of them are pretty crazy, but we'll definitely try out some of the blue trails for sure. I haven't been able to ride a black trail in a long time. I did ride a black trail in Vernon, but there's a few obstacles I did skip and because they're pretty crazy. And I'm not 16 years old anymore, 15 years old anymore, doing crazy stuff like I used to. I have tomorrow to think about. I ain't gonna be crashing. I'm only gonna be riding within my skill level, so go have some fun in the bush. All right, let's get out of this busy, hectic town of Prince George and go have some fun on the mountain bike trails. Should I say, weather permitting? That's for sure. So, just my luck, I get here and it starts raining. Well, we'll have some lunch and we'll see if it changes. It might. Man, oh man, what a day. After it started raining, I kind of just turned off the camera. I laid down and I just passed right out and had the biggest nap I've had in a long time. Kind of just slept for like, I don't know how many hours, but I did wake up, have some dinner, and I kind of just been hanging out, checking out Printerney because this place is huge. Now, I don't know how many kilometers there are of trails. Let's just look at this here. There's 36 marked trails in Paternity alone. And that's not included the outside the boundaries that haven't been marked. Plus, this is also like a 6-year-old map. But these are like well maintained, oftenly used, high active mountain bike trails. And there's some cool stuff here. There's wooden features like this. This is the stuff I love to play on, especially some skinnier stuff too. So we could do 5, because what we can do is we're parked here. We can take Route 1 and then go down 2, take down 5, cross down, go over here along one of these trails, and then back down 17, which is 420, down 18, which is Northern Lights, and then back down 1, and then take trail 2 back to the parking lot. Now I almost kind of want to just park down here and take this trail up and hit one of these trails. And there was one other one I can't remember, but they have some really cool features. And this is just one area of 4. And I've only got a map of 3 of them. And there is the Otway Nordic Ski Center Trails, which they've got a bunch of more black diamonds and medium. And the green ones are easy. So those are like the super, super easy stuff. And then you got the University of BC, I think. Yeah, University Way. And there's a whole bunch of cross-country trails back there too. So those are like multi-way. You can go up or down, doesn't matter which way. There's no actual directional flow. Whereas Paderney, there's actual arrows. So you can only enter from this way and go down. Enter this way, go down, because they're downhill trails, right? So you climb the yellow trail or a blue trail that doesn't have an arrow. So you can climb up the blue trail and then go down a blue trail. So I've been trying to plan my route out and what I want to do, which one I want to do, because I have a limited time of access. Otherwise, I'd spend a week here and, do like 2 or 3 trails one day, do another 2 or 3 trails another day, do another 2 or 3 trails another day. I could spend months here, but what one do I pick? Which one's the best? I'm just having so much troubles, guys, because I'm not big on jumps. I like features. I'll probably skip some of the jumps. I'm definitely enjoy jumping. I'm just not a big, like do crazy stunts in the air jumps. But hey, you never know. Maybe that 18-year-old in me still has it, and I'll try and do some crazy stuff. But anyways, guys, I'm going to call it a night. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning when I actually do mountain bike. Thanks for joining me on the Cottonwoods Trail. Those faces were so cool. And they've been slowly carved over the last, 5 or 6 years or something like that. I have no idea. 6, 7, 8 years. Who knows? I didn't really see a plaque or anything, information on those carvings, but they are pretty cool. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully you guys join me tomorrow from tomorrow's episode of Life with Spiike, where I'm hitting the Paderney Recreational Site Trails. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share the video with other people that are like-minded like us, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.